2018 Honda Accord air filter and cabin filter. So for the air filter, you want to come under your hood here and then push this clip off right here. And then there's an additional little mini clip right here you can push off. In the back here, there are these tabs. When you lift this up, you want to lift this front area first and then pull the whole thing forward. So you don't want to break these tabs by just pulling this whole thing up. So tilt it back and then pull it forward away from the tabs. Once that's up, take note, there's a little notch right here on your old air filter. On your new one, you're going to have to put the notch in the same spot. Go ahead and slide this out when you're lifting it up. Here's our old one. All right, go ahead and get our new one. This is a Wix. This is aftermarket. Here's my part number. And yeah, it looks pretty good. And then there's the little notch right there on the side. So it goes in this direction. You just lift it up, put it in, make sure that little notch is on the right side. Put your clips back on. This one, it just comes, you just lift it up, put it on there, and then it should close like that. And that's how to do that. Now on the cabin filter, open your glove box, take any of your stuff out if you can, and then this little plunger needs to come off. All you do is you take your thumb and push it straight down. It'll pop off, and then you can just let it do whatever it wants to do. We'll squeeze both sides of the glove box and lower it. I only have one hand because my other hand's on the camera, but you squeeze both sides and lower it. It'll come down. And then here's our cabin filter door. So we're going to go ahead and there's a little tab on the side. Just push it. And then notice right here on the front, it says airflow down. It has an arrow. It says down and it says airflow. So I'll show you what that's about in a sec. We'll go ahead and get this cover off. On both sides, you need to release the tab. And it kind of just unlocks this and lets it fall down. Now, if you have like leaves, debris in your cabin filter, try not to let them fall when you pull this out. Try not to let them fall down in your blower motor because they will cause noise when you have it on high. It's like a roaring rumble noise. Anyway, so here's my MicroGuard filter replacement. 3047 was my part number. And then there's the little arrows that say airflow down. All I gotta do is make sure when I put it in, these arrows are pointing down. That's all that's about. So it goes in like this with the little fabric part kind of facing outwards. It should go in all the way, no problems. It shouldn't stick out at all. You should be good. And then we'll put our door on here. You just put this up to it and then just gently kind of push them in place. They'll click and then that'll be locked. And then for your glove box, you just kind of lift it up, and you don't need to squeeze them when you lift it back up because it'll just auto squeeze when you push it up. And then you got to get your plunger on right here. Now this plunger's responsible for making it so when you open your glove box, it opens slow. If your glove box falls like that, your plunger wasn't on right. So make sure you get it on. You got to pull it down. You know, it has a hole for the little peg that's on the glove box. If you push it, it should clip, make a little noise. And when you open this, it should come down slowly. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.